Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Chris. We're running out of batteries, so we got to make this quick. Okay, you guys ready? We're in the cook. This is not a cook, it's a kitchen. We're in the kitchen, and my battery's about to die, so we're going to film. That's a frying pan. Okay, these are some steaks. They are ribeye steaks. I paid some big money for them, right? For YouTube celebrity. You want to use this is a hand. Freshly washed in the germs of customer service, and we're going to you don't want to wash your hands before you cook. You take the meat and oh man, that looks really weird. What the heck? Okay guys, on the camera the burner looks blue. That is not there in real life. Okay guys, you want to put the steak in the frying pan. You're going to keep your dog up. Your dog lift the kitchen. So you want to put that on the frying pan and you want to let it fry. Oh man, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm hangry. I'm going to freak. That is so weird. You guys see that? That is not like that in real life. In real life. What? In real life, the burner is like black and red, but on camera, it looks blue. So this has been a very, very special episode of Cooking with Chris. That's how you make ribeye steak, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what I'm gonna have for a side. I know I've got some stuff. Look how blessed I am. I usually don't have this much food in the house. So this is pretty awesome. I think I might think for a side dish, I might just eat a whole bunch of coconut oil. Maybe dump some thyme in there to make it fancy. But yeah, this has been. Let's see. Let me see if I can flip this. Watch. Oh nope, can't do it. You guys have a good one. That's been this is episode something of Cooking with Chris. Oh, okay. You guys want a? Oh man, my YouTube channel is gonna go crazy. Look at this haunted stove. What the heck? Wow, haunted stove. What is that? Did you guys hear that? What was that? What was that, guys? Guys, oh my goodness. Buddy, do you hear it? Do you hear it? Oh man, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Buddy, who is that? Oh, there's nobody there. Speak. 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 Ooh. Ooh. It's been a bad day, but there were some things, there were some blessings. Okay. This has been another episode of Cooking with Chris. We're going to now zoom in on this bone. Thanks, Theodore, for this lovely bone. Maybe if my dog hadn't been chewing on it, wait a minute. This might be a good recipe. I mean, this might be a good ingredient. Hey! Buddy, can you throw that in the frying pan? Thanks, buddy. Bye.